Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Snapchat tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to check for account violation, view your account status, and see if you violate any Snapchat community guideline. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to click on setting icon. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here until you get to account status. Click on that. And here you go. So if you have any community guideline violation, it's going to be found right here. But if your account is fully safe and secure, you see this particular message right here. No violation found. Thank you for following our community guideline. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use your Snapchat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.